Movement is a human right. From the dawn of time, we were never meant to sit still. And now, for the first time, movement at work is effortless. Introducing Walkolution 2. Ultra quiet, maintenance-free, and naturally motorless. Designed and made in Germany. Zero power required, zero distraction. TheraFloor ready. True terrain barefoot walking. With years of experiences and precision engineering, our German facility blends advanced automation with expert craftsmanship. Built for performance, durability, and to move with you for a lifetime.